see if it works now, Mommy. Will you watch us, Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. You can watch us if you want to. Okay. Oh, I want this. Nice work.
Oh, wow. Got the tires going. Good job. That's always important.
Did you hear what he said?
No, stop.
Oh, why won't this thing work? Good job, buddy.
Trying to fix my car.
Good job.
Make sure you stay down and sit down.
I can't, baby. I have to go work. I just wanted to come see.